Hey guys, welcome to Autodidactic Therapy. Today I'll show you how to actually do a proper potting soil and how to repot your plants like roses. This one I got for my fiance. She doesn't know how to actually pot it, so I'm going to show you the proper way of doing it. Let's get started. Alright, first you need a garden hose. You want to water it. Ooh, a little too strong there, but it's okay. All right, let's get the mixture in. I like to use peat's moss. So I get about a couple handful, throw it in here. All right, and I like to mix mine with indoor potting soil. You want to make sure it's indoor because that's where it's going to be. The reason why is because it's a better mixture for low light. You don't get a bunch of flies all over your place because, you know, organic creates flies and stuff. So this is a great mixture. I'm gonna pour it in there and mix it up. There we go. Pretty good mix. I actually want to add more. And the reason why I add peat's moss because it actually holds the water and moisture better than just regular soil. And too much soil can actually kill the plant. So we're gonna do a good mixture. Add this in just to get the initial sizing in here all around. There we go. There we go. Perfect. And now, let's go ahead and pull this out. Now you have the perfect hole for your plants. Let's go ahead and remove this, and I'll show you how to remove the actual plant itself. It's so tiny. It's very cute. See that? And the reason why we wet it makes it a lot easier for it to come out. So the soil stays in there. It doesn't break. See? Once it's wet, it's easier, but when it's dry, it falls off. All you do is put it in here, voila, and that's how you properly put it in the pot. You don't have to put so much pressure in there, and you can just give it a little water. Oh, you can always add more, right? There we go. You can lightly tap on it. You don't want to press down the soil too hard, because the roots has to grow, the roots has to spread. If you compact the soil too much, it's hard for it to penetrate through the roots. And one thing I love about this pot, it also has a good drainage. You don't have to get anything extra. See right here, all the water that I put on the pot, it goes down here. So that way you're not flooding the actual plant and killing it. It's a nice little rose. I think it's gonna grow pretty well in this pot. Next year, probably we're gonna put it outside. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe. Bye.